welcome back. In news overseas, at least 110 people are dead and a state of emergency has been declared after Colombia was hit by one of its largest earthquakes in years. The death toll is likely to rise with more fear trapped under collapsed buildings. The country's geological service says the magnitude 7.4 quake struck at a depth of 103 kilometers in Choco province. It was felt across an enormous area stretching for hundreds of miles across western Colombia. Many of the deaths have been concentrated in the city of Pereira in Colombia's coffee-growing region, with surrounding cities and the Valle del Cauca region also hard hit.
Tragic story there, love.
It is, Andrea.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after the break.